Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Shrtfly. And maybe you're wondering, can you really shorten URLs and earn money? How much money can you make? Is this legit? We're going to check it out. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Okay, now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out Shrtfly to find out whether this is a good use of your time or not. All right. Now, Shrtfly is a link shortener. Okay, very simple. What you can do here is you can basically come here and add any type of link. It can be a long link, it can be an ugly link, it can be an affiliate link, it can be literally anything. They will shorten it to a shorter link. And when people click on it, they will pay you a little bit of money for every single click that you get. All right, we'll talk about how much you actually get paid, how does this work, and whether this is really worth your time or not, and how easy is this strategy really, okay? Now, Shrtfly is a nice looking link shortener. I've reviewed a lot of other link shorteners, right? To sign up, you can do this from anywhere in the world. You just click sign up on the top right-hand side right here. All right, and then you can fill in your username, your email, your password, right? You register. They'll ask you for a few more details inside, but once you do that, you're just basically going to get access to the back office, which is very simple, right? Now, the back office is going to look something similar to this, and it'll say, do you want to create a link? Okay, what link do you want to shorten? All right, and all you would do is you would come here, grab whatever link, let's just say you wanted to, send people to Google, for example. Okay, or you could do affiliate marketing and send people to an affiliate link so that you could make some money when they purchase that way, right? But let's just say we were to shorten, as an example, just Google, right? Make sure you've got the full link with the HTTPS :// and then whatever it is .com. Click on shorten, all right? And they're going to give you this little shortened link right here. Now, when it comes to links like Google's already pretty short, other websites will be pretty short, but if you're doing some sort of affiliate marketing promotion, then the link can be pretty long and ugly. So this at least will look a little bit shorter, right? Now what I can do is I can just grab this link, I can copy it, and this is the link that I would share all over the internet, right? Now, if you're already an internet marketer, then you probably know how to do this. Maybe you've got a following on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. You would just drop people this link. They would use this link. The more people click on it, the more money you make from Shrtfly, all right? And I'll show you how much you get paid in a second here, right? And then they would be redirected not to your link directly. There's an intermediate page or series of pages that they'll see. That's how Shrtfly actually makes their money. They're going to do a lot of advertising, and then eventually they'll lead them to your link, and then wherever you want to send them to an affiliate link or whatever it is, then they can kind of check it out, or a blog article or blog, whatever it is, all right? And that's kind of how it works, okay? So very simple. Create an account, shorten your link, earn money, all right? Now, here's the big question, all right? What do people actually see when they click on your link, and how much money do you really make? All right, now we'll cover what they see in a second, but let's talk about the payout rates first, okay? So I'm just gonna open out the payout rates so that you can see how this works. Now, the payout rates is they pay per 1,000 clicks. Okay, now different countries have different payout rates, right? So for example, Greenland, which you're not going to get a lot of because there aren't, the population of Greenland is very small. It'll mainly be, countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, right? The big countries, Germany, France, Brazil, Thailand, South Africa, Australia, for example, right? And this is in descending order, okay? So the smaller the country, a lot of Southeast Asian countries are quite low. India is a big Asian country, very low here, $2 per click, right? Sorry, $2 per 1,000 clicks. So really, if you can, you want to focus on the higher paying countries like the US, the UK, Canada, Brunei, Germany, France, Brazil, right? So this is $15, but this is for 1,000 clicks. All right, now 1,000 might not sound like that much, but 1,000 clicks on your link is actually quite a lot. All right, it's very difficult to get 1,000 clicks. So what you would have to do is you would have to get 1,000 people to click on your shortened link. All right, now if you are an online marketer already, you're an influencer, that's pretty easy. It's not that difficult. You can email people, you can add it to your TikTok account where you've got maybe thousands of followers, maybe your YouTube account, you've got hundreds of thousands of followers following you already. But if you're brand new and you've got no following, you're not an influencer, you're not an internet marketer, then getting 1,000 clicks to your link can be quite hard. Okay, now you can do things like add it on a forum. You can go on Facebook and go to the different groups and add it to the different groups, but you have to be careful because this is considered spamming. All right. And if you're spamming, then you can actually get penalized by the social media accounts. You can even lose your entire social media account. So I don't recommend doing that. Okay. So getting, even though this might look quite nice, $15, $13, $10, the reality is it's quite difficult to get 1,000 clicks on your link. Okay. Now let's just say that you can get 1,000 links on your clicks, right? Or 1,000 clicks on your link. What does this link actually look like? All right, so I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to show you this because it's important to see what your user is experiencing. User experience is very important, right? So let's just say you promote this link on your social media account. Let's just say you're even an influencer and you're like, hey guys, if you want to check out this t-shirt that I'm wearing, click on this link below so you can purchase it, right? So then you send people to that link, right? And this is what they actually see. Okay, I'm going to press enter. They don't see the website directly. They see something like this. This is an intermediate website and they're going to see a lot of ads, right? So if somebody has to close this ad, then they have to say something like, look, it says step 1, please join our Telegram for updates. So they're kind of like redirecting people in different directions and it's a little bit confusing for people. All right, so I'm going to click human verification here. So they don't go directly to your page. Okay, so this takes a while. So 5 plus 4 is 9, right? So I'm going to click 9. And then after that, they don't take you directly. They take you to a whole bunch of other weird stuff first. Okay, so I'm going to try and get to, the link, which is Google, right? So blah, 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 sponsored access control. Okay, scroll down, right? Okay, right. I'm going to click on website. This is basically what your user sees. Okay, so they see a completely different website, which is advertised, so they're going through this and they're like, I'm trying to get to that marketing link that Aaron or Bob or Sally sent me to, but I can't get there. Isn't this strange? Look, they're just advertising a bunch of stuff, but where is the actual link that I was trying to promote earlier, which was basically Google, right? I can't find it. They just keep sending me to all these weird advertising things like that. So they make it very difficult for your user to actually get to the link that you're really trying to send them to, and that can be a problem because people are going to get annoyed, right? I don't know how to get there, right? Let's it's very strange. Okay, this one is another. Okay, so it's very, very confusing for your user, right? So here's what I would say. I would say that, look, if you want to make a little bit of money, you see, where's the link? Where's the end goal? It's very, very strange. It's like they should allow you to even, at least get to Google, right? But they make it very, very complex. So sure, could you potentially make a little bit of money this way? Remember, this is for 1,000 clicks, right? So if you get 10 clicks, then you're making very, very little money. If you're getting 20 clicks, 50 clicks, you're making very little money. Even at 100 clicks, it's only $1.50. Right? Does that make sense? So it's going to be very difficult for you to get 1,000 clicks, and you're going to annoy a lot of people because people aren't actually going directly to the link. They're seeing a whole bunch of ads like this, right, before they even get there, and people are just going to get pissed off. So if you're an influencer, if you're a marketer, it's very unlikely that you're going to use something like this, okay, because you don't want to piss off your audience. And if you're a brand new person, then it's quite hard to get 1,000 clicks because where are you going to spam your clicks on? Forums, maybe, okay? You get in less trouble, but the forums, they will eventually boot you off, okay? If you're doing this on social media and you're dropping this, link everywhere on Facebook, eventually Facebook will catch up to you and they will also get you in trouble. They'll suspend your account. They'll ban you, right? So I think that link shorteners like this, where they want you to make a little bit of money and advertise for them because this is how they make money. These are intermediate advertising pages, right? I don't think it's a great idea, honestly. I think there are much better ways to make money. And even though some people have made a little bit of money from this, if you go to payment proof, and we don't know if this is 100% true because it's so simple, right? Look at this, 429. Highly unlikely that they've made. This would have taken them years, okay? A very, very, very long time. Maybe $5. This would take you a long time, weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks to even get to $5. But this is highly unlikely. This also highly unlikely. Not to say that they haven't done this and this isn't real, but it might have taken them, months and months and months and months before they even made anything close to that. Maybe years even, right? For the most part, it's very difficult to get 1,000 clicks, if that makes sense, okay? So I would say that this is For me, this is a little bit of a waste of time. All right, it's a difficult strategy, and if you're an influencer, you probably wouldn't use this anyway. And the payout rates are very, very low if you think about it, for quite a difficult thing to do, even though it seems quite easy because of all these intermediate advertising pages. So I don't necessarily recommend this strategy. You can check it out if you want, right? Shortfly without the O. But I think that, I've reviewed so many different strategies to make money online. I think there are much better ones out there, and you get paid a lot more money for the trouble and effort that you're putting in. Okay, but if you want to check it out, shortflyhere.com. Okay, now if you're here watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online. Maybe you're a beginner. Maybe you've done a lot of research. Maybe you've been failing for a long time, right? On this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds of different ways to make money online, and out of all of them, out of the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? I still think that there's one strategy where a beginner, somebody who's never made money online, has their best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Okay, if you would like to check out that strategy, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite method to do that. I hope you enjoyed this review of Shortfly. See you on another video review. Take care.